Exciting news! We have a momentous announcement to share. His Holiness Pope Francis has revealed the most wonderful news for the Jowai Diocese. His Holiness has appointed Father Ferdinand Dkhar, currently the administrator of the Diocese of Jowai, as the Bishop of Jowai on Saturday, July 8, 2023. Congratulations, Father Ferdinand Dkhar, on your well-deserved appointment. Your unwavering devotion and commitment to the Diocese of Jowai have been recognized and honored by His Holiness Pope Francis. May your new role be filled with joy, fulfillment, and abundant blessings as you continue to lead and inspire.